Oh my god, forget spending your entire day chopping clips and wrestling with complex video timelines just to get one decent post. Stop the stress of trying to post every single day and quit manually hunting for those tiny, elusive viral moments in your footage. Have you heard of Vizard? Because it is literally the only tool you need to change your entire content game right now. You need to try Vizard, because once you do, you'll wonder how you ever managed your social media channels without it. Think about taking a massive, hour-long live stream or interview and turning it into a pile of polished, high-performing clips in mere minutes. I'm going to show you exactly how I turn long-form content into organic UGC-style clips that feel like real human stories, not stiff corporate ads. We will even break down how Vizard compares to tools like 11 Labs or CapCut, because knowing the trade-offs is crucial for your workflow. Start by grabbing your source footage, whether it is a 20-minute podcast, a raw product demo, or a webinar you recorded last week. Upload that file directly to Vizard and watch as the AI starts doing all the heavy lifting for you immediately. It scans the entire file, hunting for high engagement moments, emotional beats, and those perfect natural edit points that make people stop scrolling. That is the game changer right there. It doesn't just blindly cut the video, it actually understands which specific parts are likely to hook a viewer. User-generated content thrives on tiny emotional bursts, and people are frankly tired of overly polished commercials that feel fake. Vizard's auto-editing feature zeroes in on the good stuff, the laughs, the hot takes, and the micro-stories that get people talking. You don't have to waste hours combing through footage to guess what works, because you get a prioritized list of clips to preview in seconds. For step 1, just upload your raw footage and let the AI analyze it. Then mark the clips it finds as hooks or punchlines. I usually pick about 10 candidates from a single video because variety is key. You want different lengths and emotional tones to keep things fresh. Some clips might be a sharp question that makes a viewer go, "Wait, what?" while others are quick reaction shots. Now for step 2, apply that human polish to your clips, like trimming the intro or adding a quick caption overlay. You can also swap the thumbnail frame to something punchier, which honestly takes just a few clicks to complete. If you are pairing Vizard with other tools for motion design or synthetic voices, keep it minimal so you don't lose that organic feel. Remember that while 11 Labs is great for custom assets, it won't manage your posting schedule, and that is where Vizard really shines. Step 3 is all about keeping it real, so don't be afraid of slight camera shakes or candid moments that make the clip feel authentic. If you do need a voiceover to patch a hook, choose a tone that sounds conversational rather than perfectly polished. Vizard lets you insert subtitles and quick jump cuts, which are essential for keeping the viewer's rhythm fast and engaging. Once you have one winning clip, step 4 is batching your variations, like changing crop ratios for Reels, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. You can export a huge batch of optimized posts almost instantly, allowing you to scale your output without scaling your workload. Step 5 is the best part, scheduling your content without having to babysit the process or wake up at midnight to post. You can drag and drop clips into your content calendar or use the auto schedule feature to pick the perfect times for engagement. Compared to using Premiere or Final Cut, which have massive learning curves and take hours, this workflow is basically a superpower. Even compared to Descript, Vizard's focused approach to viral discovery and automated posting for multiple platforms is just faster. If you need insane visual effects, sure, keep your motion designer, but for daily social content that grows an audience, Vizard is king. Let's do a quick demo. Imagine you have a 45-minute episode, and Vizard finds 24 potential clips for you. You just preview, pick the top 12, and in minutes you have 2 weeks of daily content ready to go. Remember to always lead with a strong question or a surprising fact in the first 2 seconds, because your hook is literally everything. Always use captions, because so many people are scrolling through their feeds on mute and you don't want them to miss your message. Keep it human by not over-denoising your audio, since small, natural artifacts often help your clips feel much more real. Use end cards that subtly prompt an action rather than hard selling, like suggesting they watch the full episode for more context. If you are mixing synthetic assets, keep them for intros or end screens only to maintain that core authenticity of your real footage. Try using hooks like "I thought this was a gimmick, then it cut my editing time in half" to test what resonates. Another great one is Stop Scrolling. This tool took a 45-minute episode and turned it into 2 weeks of content. Think of Vizard not just as an expense, but as a multiplier for your most precious resource, which is your time. Consistency beats perfection, and Vizard helps you post every single day without the burnout that usually comes with it. You can even use it to build a micro-series by stitching clips together, or A/B test different thumbnails to see what performs better. It feels like having a tiny, dedicated production team that handles the discovery, the editing, and the publishing all in one place. So give it a spin, upload one episode, let the AI suggest your clips, and finally watch your audience grow while you actually have free time. If you want, I can map out a custom routine for your specific content style. Just drop a comment and let me know what you are creating. Don't forget to like this video if it helped, and subscribe for more hacks to level up your entire creator workflow. Keep creating, keep testing, and let the AI do the heavy lifting so you can focus on the creative magic.